picked up the trees. You burned the trees. That's bad. All right, Chris. That's enough. Trying to keep up with it. That's fine.
Look at that!